welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you about some animals. So let's start with the African elephant. The African elephant is the largest mammal on land. It grows 3 meters tall and is 5.7 tons heavy. Now let's talk about howler monkey. The howler monkey is the noisiest mammal whose shrill voice can be heard from a distance of 4.8 kilometers. Flamingos have taken their pink color from the shrimps on which they feed. And in the last, I'm going to show the animal I think you never seen and never heard about it. This is African giant snail. The African giant snail can grow up to a meter in length. Woodpecker. The woodpecker has a very strong, shock-proof skull. About baby elephant. The calf of an elephant learns to walk within an hour of its birth, but learns to use its trunk in months. The guillemot bird. The guillemot bird is a bird that can fly under the surface of water. The platypus is found in Australia. It is an egg-laying mammal. Now the last mammal I'm going to the last animal I'm going to show is this. This is an calf. This is an aardvark. The aardvark has a body like a pig, a tail like a kangaroo, ears like a rabbit, and legs up ants, and hermits like an ant-eater. In the last, I'm going to tell all the names. African elephant, howler monkey, flamingo, African giant snail, woodpecker, elephant, calf, guillemot bird, platypus, aardvark. These are the animals you learned about. For now, bye.